Good morning, student. Today we'll discuss about the operators in Python. Operators, there are different kinds of operator. There are arithmetic operator, logical operator, and relational operator. So at first we'll discuss about arithmetic operator. In Python, the arithmetic operators that are supported are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. So here the symbol used for addition is plus, the symbol used for subtraction is minus, the symbol used for multiplication is asterisk, the symbol used for division is slash, and the symbol used for modulus is percentage sign. Symbol used for exponent is this one sign, and for symbol used for floor division is 2 slash. Now how does it work? Suppose here I am giving one example. I have two variables, a equal 10 and one more variable b equal 2, and suppose I have one more variable c equal 3. Okay, now for addition, suppose my expression means it is a collection of operator and operand. So suppose my expression is a plus b, so what it will return? It will return the value of a and b. So the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 2. So a plus b will be equal to 12. So this is how the addition will work. Now for subtraction, suppose I have a minus b. Now a value is 10 and b value is 2. So the answer will be 10 minus 2, it is 8. For multiplication, suppose I have the same thing, a into b. So it will be 10 into 2. So the answer is 20. And suppose for division, a divide b. So this answer will be 10 divide 2, it is 5. And suppose one more example, a divide c. So here it will be 10 divide 3. The value of c is 3, so 10 divide 3. It will be 3.333 and it will go on. Now modulus operator, before the first four, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, you have already got in your mathematics class. So modulus operator is new for you. So how does it work? Suppose I have this expression, a modulus b. The modulus operator returns the remainder. Suppose here the value of a is 10 divide 10 modulus 2. Now to solve this expression, first I will divide 10 by 2. While I am dividing, there will be no remainder, because when I am dividing 10 by 2, I am getting the divisor as 5. So the remainder will be 0 only. So the answer is 0. Another example, 10 divide A divides C. So here expression will be 10 divide 3. So when I am dividing 10 by 3, the answer will be 3 times, like 3 into 3, 9, and remainder will be 1. So answer is the remainder. Means 10 minus 9 equal 1. So to get the remainder, to get the answer of this type of expression, divide the number and write the remainder as answer. Now floor division or exponent. Suppose I have A exponent B. Now that means it will be 10 exponent B, 2. Here exponents means power of, means 10 will multiply 2 times. So 10 into 10, it is 100. One more example for this, A exponent C. So it will be 10 exponent 3. The value of C is 3, so that's why 10 exponent 3 equal. So here I will multiply 10 3 times. Exponent means power of, so 10 power of 3. 10 into 10 into 10. So if we multiply 10 3 times, answer will be 1000. Okay. Now we'll use floor division. This one also new for you, floor division. That means while we are dividing any two numbers by floor division, we'll take only the whole number as an answer. We will exclude the decimal part. Suppose for example A floor divide C. That means 10 floor divide 3. So while we are using only divide symbol, then we are getting the answer is 3.333, like this one. The 3 will be gone. Continue. But here our answer will be only 3. We will write only the whole number. We'll skip the decimal part. Suppose we have another example. We have this one, 20 and floor divide 6. Here while we are dividing 20 by 6, the answer will be 3 point something, isn't it? 6 3s are 18, then point something, but the answer will be only 6. We'll skip the decimal part. So this is how the arithmetic operator works. Again I am showing some examples. Suppose for addition 5 plus 6, it will be 11. For subtraction 6 minus 1, it will be 5. For multiplication, suppose 5 into 6, it is 30. And for division, 10 divide 2, it is 5. For modulus, 10 modulus 6, it will be 4. While we are dividing 10 by 6, we'll get 4 as a remainder. And for exponent, suppose 2 exponent 5. So for that, what we'll do, we'll multiply 2 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So answer will be 32. So this is how the exponent work. Now floor division. Suppose we have 30 floor divide 9. Here if we divide 30 by 9, the answer will be 3 times. Only 3. The decimal part will be excluded. So this is how the arithmetic operator works in Python. Now we'll discuss about the relational Now we'll discuss about assignment operators. Assignment operator means, suppose I have a variable, my variable name is e, and I want to assign some value, I want to put some value to the variable. So I can use equal sign, a equal 5. So here the equal is known as assignment operator. When I am assigning any value to a variable that is known as assignment operator. So there can be different type of assignment. Suppose it can be, I have already one variable a equal 5. Again I have a plus equal 6. So this is actually in a short form. If I expand this one, then it will be like a equal a plus 6. So I have already the value of a is as 5. So the answer will be a equal 5 plus 6 equal 11. Means the value of a will be 11. Now for subtraction operator, or for subtraction or minus, it's equal and minus and equal. For example, suppose I have already one variable a, that is 5, and here it's written as a minus equal 2. So this is in short form. If I expand it, it will be like a equal a minus 2. As you know, the value of a is 5. 5 minus 2 equal, it's 3. So the final value of a is 3. This is how the subtraction operator works. All the operator works like this way only. Suppose I am using modulus operator, modulus equal, and my expression is a modulus equal 2. So if I expand this, then it will be like a equal a modulus 2. So it will be 10 modulus 2. So if I divide 10 by 2, oh not sorry, a value is 5 modulus 2. So if I divide 5 by 2, the remainder will be 1. So the answer is 1, means a equal 1. So this is how the compound assignment operator works. That exponent operator we can also use as double multiply. Means suppose we have 2 into 3. That means 2 will multiply 3 times. 2 into 2. Sorry. It will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So this if we are using multiply symbol 2 times, that means it is exponent. I think you will remember it. Now I am giving one arithmetic operators expression. Suppose I have variable a is 4 and b is 2, and I have this expression a plus b divide 2 plus a modulus b minus a So I have to solve this expression. First I will put the value. The value of a is 4. So 4 plus the value of b is 2. 2 divide 2 plus the value of a is again here 4 modulus 2 again minus the value of a is 4. So while we are solving this type of expression, we will always follow Badmas rule. Badmas means first bracket, then of, BO after that division, after that multiplication, then plus or minus. So first we will solve the bracket part, means a modulus to that part. So 4 plus 2 divide 2 plus a modulus 2, the answer will be 1 minus 4. Oh sorry, a modulus 2, the answer will be 0, means 4 divide 2, there will be no remainder, so answer is 0. Equal 4 plus 2 divide 2. Now we will solve the divide part. So 2 divide 2, it is 1, plus 4 0 minus 4, it will be minus 4, we will keep 0 only, minus 4, equal 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus 4, and the last 5 minus 4, it is 1. So while we will solve this expression, the answer will be 1. For today's this much only. See you in the next video. There we'll discuss about relational and logical operators. Till then, take care and bye.